Hey guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing great and you're thinking about meal prep and meal planning ideas. I just got back from Walmart and Loblaws here in Toronto, and I picked up some lettuce, some romaine, and I'm going to use that to make salads. And I was thinking of making some stir fry boats. And so I'll be using my ground chicken meat. I might make a taco one. I might make a teriyaki one, and then just use lettuce leaves to do that. And it'll be a lower carb option. I love red potatoes. My family loves red potatoes, but any potatoes are fine. I make my mashed potatoes or baked potatoes or roasted potatoes. You can use them as a great side dish. Okay. And some green beans to add to my stir fry, or I might just steam them. And my zucchini for zucchini noodles. Check some of my recipes out. And I was thinking of using that for some spaghetti, or maybe even with my chili instead of using rice. It's a good option and another low carb option. For some desserts, I thought I would use some Jell-O, have some Jell-O. They're no sugar and only 5 calories, which is great. You could add a little bit of Cool Whip or light whipped cream to make it even yummier. You could add it to some yogurt. Why not? Get creative. And my broccoli, I love to steam it, bake it, and use that for my stir fries. Some carrots to snack on. I also have my broccoli to snack on as well, and my cauliflower. And I'm going to make something special with this cauliflower. I'm going to be making bagels. I know. And I use it for my crust, my pizza crust, my sweet crust. So check out my recipes for those. And for my rice, my cauliflower rice recipe is delicious. Of course, yogurt. You can add those to your overnight oats, or just have it with oatmeal or with just some fruit. It's delicious as a good snack, breakfast, brunch item, dessert item. Add a little bit of Cool Whip or whipped cream to it. It's fantastic and delicious. You can put it on pizzelle cookies, layer it. You'll see some of my other recipes that I use, yogurt, and of course my Greek yogurt for those recipes as well. And a lot of baking. I use my Greek yogurt for my overnights, my muffins, you name it, check it out. Greek yogurt is delicious and 0 points, and you can buy whatever brand. And the shirataki noodles for a whole package is only 1 smart point. Sometimes I just use half a package. Make sure you dry them off really well. Rinse them off first, then dry them off. And I add a little bit of spice to them so that it takes the flavor to a different level. The great thing is it doesn't have any flavor, so you can do so much with them and add them to your stir fries, to your spaghetti sauce, whatever you're making. You could add these as a great filler, okay? I'm just going to skip that. Well, the Romano cheese is delicious. I buy the Zerto, as you guys know. And for 6 tablespoons is only 4 smart points. A lot. And I made a green pea soup, which I haven't done a video yet, but I'm going to soon because I got lots of thumbs up from my family members and coworkers that I brought it into. And it was a split pea lentil soup. So I bought more of those because I'm going to do a video very soon. I do make a lentil soup. which is super delicious. And it's so hearty any time of year, but specifically, during the fall, winter months is nice to make a nice soup. And you can use lentils in a lot of recipes as well for making veggie burgers, okay? And, get creative. So these are my Walmart finds. And just the cheese is from Loblaws Supercenter. And that's it. Okay, I hope this video was helpful and you get creative and meal plan and meal prep so that you're organized and focused and staying on track. All right, take care. Continue to tell your Weight Watch, your WW peeps and anybody on a health journey that I have lots of videos, recipes, inspirational chats that can help you on your new lifestyle. And love you guys. Take care.